Sometimes it's worth combining ingredients that you may not have thought of mixing before. You'll discover different flavour profiles and possibly taste something that you've never tried before. This zesty orange and lime sauce goes very well with pork, and what's more, it's easy to make. To make the sauce and marinade, the ingredients that you'll need are olive oil, juice from 1 lime, 1 glass of pure orange juice, garlic, coriander, black pepper, salt, cumin, and oregano. Place all these ingredients into a mixer and blend. The meat that I'm using is pork fillet and weighs about 600 grams. Pour about half the marinade onto the meat and reserve the rest to make the sauce. Leave the meat to marinate for about an hour. Before cooking, add some sliced oranges into the dish. Then cover with foil and cook in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Halfway through cooking, baste the meat in some of the juices. If you want the meat to be browned on the outside, finish off the last 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius without the foil. To make the sauce, deglaze the dish with the marinade that you reserved. Simmer it in a pan to make it thicker. Also add in some more chopped coriander and the cooked orange peel.